Good evening to all. Welcome to Sri Satya IELT. Like the video, share it and subscribe it for more interesting grammar videos. Today's our class number is 9. Our topic is parts of speech. So previously we discussed kinds of sentences. Next, this is parts of speech. English language has been divided into parts for its convenience and for comfort. So it is called parts of speech. They are 8 in number. Let us see what are they. The first one is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and the last one is interjection. Again I repeat, English has been divided into parts of speech for its convenience and for comfort. So these are 8 in number, 1 to 8: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Except these 8, there is no other ninth part in English. Let us see one by one. First of all, we learn what is a noun. Let us see. Noun is nothing but name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Again, I repeat. Noun is nothing but the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. That means it is a word. It says about the name. It qualifies the name. So that is called noun. So there are some types of nouns. Let us see what are those. First one is countable nouns. Countable nouns. Next, second one is uncountable nouns. Next, another one is compound nouns. These are the 3 types of nouns: countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Next one is compound nouns. Let us see one by one. Countable noun. What is called a countable noun? The things which are able to count in number is called countable noun. We know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 100, 1000, like that. Some kinds of things and some kinds of places are names of persons or animals, we can count them. For example, apple, mango, book, chair, bicycle, ball, house, like this. We can count a number of. For example, you take apple, an apple, 2, 3, 5, 10, 100, 1000. So they are countable. We can count. Next, you take mango. You can count them in number. And chairs, bicycles, balls, and houses. We can count them in number. So that's why the things which are able to count in number, they are called countable nouns. So previously I told you that name of a person, place, animal or thing, they are called nouns. Now we learnt what are countable nouns. Next we go for uncountable nouns. The second one is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Some kinds of things are there. We cannot count them individually. For example, water, oil, sand, paddy, milk, etc. Like this. Individually, we cannot count them. For example, a water, 2 water, 3 water, 4 water, we cannot say. Suppose you take milk, 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, we cannot say, we cannot count them. Of course, we can count them in measure. For example, a bottle of water, a liter of water, and probably a liter of milk, 5 liters of milk, 10 liters of milk, probably oil, like that. We can count them in measure, but individually we cannot count them. So that's why which are unable to count individually, they are called uncountable nouns. You please once again try to understand the difference between these two, countable and uncountable. Countable is nothing but which are able to count them in number, they are called countable, and which are unable to count individually, they are called uncountable nouns. Now we go another one, compound nouns. Let us see. Compound nouns. This compound noun is nothing but the noun which formed the combination of two words. Again I repeat, when two words are combined, that means the combination of two words, when they make another noun, that is called a compound noun. For example, breakfast, break fast. Both are different words, but whenever you combine them, automatically another new word formed. So this is called compound noun. Another one is football. Football. These two are two different words, but whenever they are combined each other, automatically another word formed. So that is why it is called as compound noun. Next, bookstall. Another compound noun. Next, another one is like this, grandfather. Another compound word. And try to understand 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. these different words, they formed another noun. So that's why these are called compound nouns. So these are the types of nouns. In our next class, we discuss kinds of nouns. Another topic is that in noun, there are kinds of nouns. We discuss those in our next class. You see, totally there are 8 parts of speech according to English. The first one is noun. In noun, there are classifications, types, countable, uncountable, and compound nouns. We learned them. You try to write some more examples in your own, and we discuss kinds of nouns in our next class. I hope that you learnt the differences among these 3 kinds of types of nouns. Like the video, share it and subscribe it for more interesting grammar videos.